Hi guys, welcome back to Divine Times 2. Hope you're doing well, keeping yourself positive, busy, and healthy. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make Cuban-style potatoes and peppers. This dish would complement any meat or fish, can even be enjoyed as is or with thin slices of Spanish chorizo. It's tasty, slightly sweet because of the peppers, and comforting. So join me in the kitchen and let's get started. Time to prep the veggies. Cut half of each red, yellow, and orange pepper and cut them into cubes. Chop 2 onions and cube 5 medium potatoes. After I cube the potatoes, I like to place them back inside a bowl with water. This is to ensure that the potatoes won't brown while I am doing other things. I'm also adding 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm stirring it. You may add more salt if you like and set aside. 1 teaspoon ground black pepper, 2 teaspoons sweet Spanish paprika, 1 teaspoon dried tarragon. In a frying pan, add enough olive oil to cover the bottom of the pan. While the oil is heating up, drain and dry the potatoes well. I use a towel to dry the potatoes, or you may use paper towels. Place the onions, peppers, and potatoes into the pan. Stir and coat them with the olive oil. Cook on medium heat for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. This will ensure the vegetables do not burn. Lower the heat if you find they are cooking too fast or burning. It's time to add the black pepper and paprika. I have combined both in a small bowl. Sprinkle half of the mixture on the potatoes and mix well. Sprinkle the remaining paprika mixture on the potatoes. Mix and make sure the vegetables are coated well with the paprika, black pepper, and olive oil. Continue cooking until the potatoes, onions, and peppers are tender. Stir about every 2 minutes. The potatoes are nice and tender. They smell amazing. If you want, you may add a little more salt to your taste. Now I'm adding the tarragon. Smells awesome. Smells so good. Once that tarragon hits that oil, oh, it smells so good. Stir. And you know what? This is ready to plate. You're done. It looks amazing. It's ready to plate. This Cuban-style potato and peppers dish is not only delicious, but it will make a beautiful presentation, especially during the fall season, with all the beautiful colors of red, orange, and yellow. Hope this dish will be included in your next meal. You are going to love it. Well, guys, thank you for watching, and we want to let you know that we appreciate you. Don't forget to comment down below and let us know if you make this recipe and how it turns out. Give us a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed already, please do, so you won't miss out on any of our future videos. Remember to stay kind, positive, and divine. See you next time. Love ya. Bye.